Welcome back. Today, we are breaking down a powerful, high-probability strategy for gold on the daily time frame. We call this the gold surge setup, and its main goal is to catch explosive bullish momentum right as it starts. It's a systematic method designed for clean entries and strict risk management. Remember, this is a long-only system, which means we only focus on buying opportunities to capitalize on gold's strongest upward moves. To find a winning trade, we don't just guess, we wait for entry confluence. This means multiple factors must line up at the same time. First, we need a strong green candle that closes clearly above the most recent swing high or pullback high. Next, the price must be trading above the 21-period simple moving average to confirm we have the trend on our side. For the best results, look for candles that close near their absolute high. It's a clear sign that buyers are dominating the market. Let's dive into our first live example from March 1st, 2024. Right away, we identify a massive bullish breakout candle. Notice the size and strength of this green body. It's a clear signal that the market is ready for a significant move. Our first technical requirement is structural. Notice how the candle's closing price is definitively above the most recent swing high. This tells us that the previous resistance has been completely cleared, opening the door for further upside. Next, we look at the trend confirmation. The breakout candle also closes well above the 21-period simple moving average. This confirms that we are trading in a healthy bullish environment with the dynamic support of the moving average on our side. To gauge the intensity of the momentum, we look at the close. In this case, the candle closes very close to its high with almost no upper wick. This shows that buyers were aggressive right until the session ended, which adds high conviction to our trade. Execution is straightforward. We set a buy stop order slightly above the high to confirm continued strength. The stop loss is placed right below the candle's low, giving us a clear and manageable risk level from the start. Check out the outcome. After the entry was triggered, gold delivered an explosive move. By staying disciplined and following the pattern, we could have achieved an outstanding 1-to-7 risk-to-reward ratio. Moving on to our second case study, let's look at November 4th, 2022. In this scenario, gold was emerging from a period of local consolidation. We spot this massive green candle that decisively shatters the previous swing high. This structural breakout is our first major clue that a fresh bullish impulse is being born. Confirmation comes from our dynamic trend filter. The price isn't just breaking horizontal structure, it's also closing firmly above the 21-period simple moving average. This is crucial because it ensures we are riding the momentum in a confirmed bullish environment, significantly increasing our statistical edge. Now, notice the incredible conviction behind this specific move. The closing price is almost identical to the absolute high of the day. When you see a candle with almost no upper wick like this, it tells you that buyers remained aggressive until the very last second of the session. It's a sign of pure buying strength. Our execution remains disciplined and systematic. We place our buy stop order just above the candle's high to capture the continued follow-through. Our protection, the stop loss, goes right below the low. By doing this, we define our maximum risk clearly before the trade is even activated. The power of this setup is undeniable. Gold entered a steep vertical climb shortly after activation, and by staying in the trade, we captured a solid 1-to-5 risk-to-reward ratio. But what's even more important is how we manage the risk along the way to stay calm and protected. This is a key pillar of our strategy. As soon as the price hits a 1-to-1 profit ratio, we move our stop loss to the entry price, also known as break-even. At this point, the trade is secured. It becomes a risk-free position, allowing us to aim for much higher targets with absolutely zero stress on our capital. Let's move on to a very recent and highly educational example from March 12, 2025. This setup is a perfect demonstration of technical alignment. We start by pinpointing our signal candle, a dominant green bar that immediately stands out from the recent price action. The first major hurdle for the price is the structural resistance. Look at how clearly this candle closes above the previous pullback high. This is a crucial moment because it proves that the bulls have successfully absorbed all the selling pressure in that area, clearing the path for a new rally. We then look for confirmation from our trend filter, the 21-period simple moving average. The breakout candle finishes well above the moving average, confirming that the market has shifted back into a bullish environment. Trading with the dynamic support of the SMA 21 provides that extra layer of confidence we need for a high probability entry. To further validate the strength of this impulse, we examine the candle's close. It finishes right near the absolute high of the day, showing virtually no upper wick. This tells us that the buying momentum stayed strong until the very last second of the session, which is a classic sign of an impulsive breakout. Execution is key. We set our buy stop order slightly above the high to ensure we only enter if the market continues its upward trajectory. The stop loss is placed carefully below the candle's low. This precise placement allows us to maintain a tight risk profile while aiming for a major expansion. Now, look at this phenomenal outcome. By being patient and trusting the gold surge rules, this trade delivered an outstanding 1-to-15 risk-to-reward ratio. This is a prime example of how gold can enter massive vertical trends, rewarding disciplined traders with truly exceptional returns. Let's examine another setup from April 15, 2021. This example is particularly interesting because it shows how the gold surge strategy performs right as a new leg up begins after a temporary retracement. We start by identifying this strong, dominant green candle on the daily chart. Our first step is to confirm the structural breakout. Look at the previous swing high marked on the chart. The breakout candle's closing price is clearly above this level, proving that the bulls have successfully overcome the last major resistance and are ready to push higher. Next, we verify the trend confirmation through our filter. The candle is well established above the 21-period simple moving average. This moving average acts as a dynamic baseline for the trend, and seeing the price hold above it gives us the statistical confidence that the underlying bullish momentum is fully back in play. Once again, we pay close attention to the momentum quality. Notice how the candle closes near its absolute high, leaving almost no upper wick. This tells us that there was no selling pressure at the end of the day, which is a classic sign that the market has a strong urge to continue the move. For the execution, we use a buy stop order placed just above the breakout high to ensure we are triggered only by continued strength. The stop loss is positioned below the candle's low, creating a tight but logical protective zone based on the volatility of the signal candle itself. Looking at the outcome, the market followed through perfectly. A key takeaway here is risk management. As the price reached the 1-to-1 target, we moved the stop loss to the break-even point. This secured a risk-free trade, allowing us to ride the rest of the trend calmly until we hit a solid 1-to-4 risk-to-reward ratio. Let's wrap up our practical analysis with our fifth and final case study from July 28, 2022. This example is great for showing how the strategy works even during more complex market phases. We begin by identifying our signal candle, a clear vertical green bar that breaks the local rhythm of the chart. As always, our first rule is the structural breakout. Notice the previous pullback high marked on the screen. Our breakout candle manages to close decisively above this level, signaling that the supply in this area has been exhausted and that momentum is shifting back in favor of the buyers. Next, we confirm the context with the SMA 21. Even though the moving average was sloping downwards recently, the breakout candle closes firmly above it. This crossover is a vital signal because it confirms that the price has reclaimed its dynamic support, shifting the environment from bearish to bullish for our intraday impulse. Looking at the candle's quality, we see another perfect confirmation. The close is very near the high, indicating that the buying pressure didn't fade as the session came to an end. This type of clean close is what gives us the confidence to set up our pending order for the next day. The execution follows our strict protocol. We place a buy stop order just above the candle's high and our stop loss right below the low. By using a pending order, we ensure that we only enter the market if gold continues to prove its strength by breaking the previous day's high. Finally, let's look at the management. After activation, the price moved steadily upward. We reached the 1-to-1 target and immediately moved to break-even to secure a risk-free trade. Although this move wasn't as massive as our previous 1-to-15 example, it still delivered a very solid 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio, proving that consistent risk management is the true secret to long-term profitability. If you found value in this content, please support the channel by leaving a like and sharing this video with fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you never miss our future market analysis and strategy videos. I would love to hear your feedback. Drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts, or suggest which trading patterns you would like to see explored next. Thank you for staying with me until the end. Keep studying, keep improving, and happy trading.